Understanding Tan's balance method, System 5, the Chinese clock neighbor system. Exploring the principles and clinical applications of Tan's balance method, System 5, focusing on the Chinese clock neighbor system. Tan's balance method, System 5, also referred to as a Chinese clock neighbor system, utilizes the traditional Chinese organ clock sequence to balance energy channels. This innovative approach facilitates treatment by connecting meridians based on their spatial relationships, allowing for effective management of various health conditions. System 5 operates on the principle that yin treats yin and yang treats yang, establishing a balance through interactions within similar energy types. The large intestine channel and the stomach channel are interconnected and treat each other, highlighting the importance of their proximity in the clock system. In System 5, the spleen channel is treated by the heart channel from the next group, establishing a cross-group treatment principle. Tan's balance system comprehensively integrates all possible channel combinations, ensuring a holistic approach to treatment within the meridian system. In System 1, the principle of treatment follows the concept that yin treats yin and yang treats yang, with the spleen channel treating the lung channel directly within the same group. This creates a balance that obtained within the confines of the group, allowing for a more localized treatment approach. Conversely, System 5 maintains the same foundational principle of yin treating yin and yang treating yang, but introduces a different dynamic where the spleen channel is treated by the heart channel from the next group. This method creates a balance that is achieved through the yin organ of the neighboring group, allowing for a broader treatment strategy that incorporates adjacent channels. Channel groups in System 5. Group 4 is spleen, kidney, liver. Group 1, lung, heart, pericardium. Group 2, large intestine, small intestine, triple marmer. And Group 3, stomach, urinary bladder, gallbladder. Knee pain along the stomach channel can be treated by stimulating the large intestine channel on the opposite hand. This illustrates the principle of treating homologous structures, where corresponding channels are used to alleviate pain. Pain felt in the leg's Yang-Ming channel can be effectively treated by targeting the Yang-Ming channel on the hand. This treatment method leverages the relationship between homologous structures to promote healing. Utilizing an imaging system is crucial for determining the corresponding areas that require treatment. This approach aids in accurately locating the channels related to the painful areas, ensuring effective acupuncture therapy. Chest pain that runs through the liver channel can be effectively treated by needling the lung channel on the opposite side. This technique utilizes the concept of neighboring channels to promote balance and relief. For lower abdomen pain, both the spleen and stomach channels can be engaged in treatment. This approach addresses issues directly related to these channels and their interconnectedness in the body. Identifying tender points is crucial, as they help to indicate which imaging system is appropriate for the particular case. This ensures a tailored approach to treatment that aligns with the patient-specific conditions. Understanding the Chinese clock order of the 12 channels. This timeline illustrates the sequential order of the meridians in traditional Chinese medicine, reflecting their interconnections and functions in the body. Lung, the starting point of the clock associated with respiratory functions and the management of qi. Large intestine follows the lung channel, involved in digestion and elimination processes. Stomach, key channel for processing nourishment and energy absorption in the body. Spleen, associated with digestion and the transformation of nutrients, strengthening the body's qi. Heart, central to blood circulation and emotional balance, followed by the small intestine. Small intestine involved in the absorption of nutrients and the separation of pure from impure. Bladder, responsible for urine storage and the release of waste fluid, linked with the kidney channel. Kidney, crucial for water regulation, reproduction, and overall vitality. Pericardium protects the heart and regulates emotional well-being, leading to the Santiao. Santiao, or triple burner, regulates the body's qi and fluids, connects upper, middle, and lower parts of the body. Gallbladder functions in digestion and emotional processing, prepares for the liver channel. Liver, key for detoxification, regulating the flow of qi and emotional balance, completing the cycle back to lung. In the Chinese clock neighbor system, each meridian is influenced by the channels adjacent to it on the organ clock. This means the treatment can be achieved by utilizing the previous and next neighbor channels, creating a balance that enhances the flow of qi and addresses specific ailments effectively. Examples of clock neighbors. Understanding the relationships between channels is essential for effective treatment in the Chinese clock neighbor system. Lung, neighbor channels, liver, large intestine, neighbor channels, lung, stomach, neighbor channels, large intestine, spleen, neighbor channels, stomach, heart, neighbor channels, spleen, small intestine, neighbor channels, heart, and bladder. Bladder, neighbor channels are small intestine and kidney. Kidney, neighbor channels, bladder, pericardium. Pericardium, neighbor channels, kidney, santiao. Santiao, neighbor channels, pericardium, gallbladder. Gallbladder, neighbor channels, santiao, liver. Liver, neighbor channels, gallbladder, lung. Clinical applications of System 5 for conditions like stomach channel pain, the large intestine channel, and spleen channel are effective treatment options using their neighboring relationship to restore balance. When addressing headaches originating from the gallbladder channel, utilizing the santiao and liver channels can provide significant relief through their neighboring connection. For lower back pain related to the bladder channel, needling the small intestine and kidney channels can help alleviate discomfort by engaging the principles of System 5. Key principles of System 5: energetic circulation of qi, resonance between neighboring channels, effective for pain management, integration with mirror imaging. The channels beside the affected meridian on the Chinese clock can balance it. This is the mnemonic for System 5, simplifying memorization. Tan's balance method, System 5, known as the Chinese clock neighbor system, is a powerful approach that leverages the interconnectedness of meridians based on their neighboring positions on the organ clock. By addressing channel-related conditions through targeted treatments of neighboring channels, this system enhances the balance of qi and provides effective solutions for various health issues.